Here we go, Simona Cochi, The Italian Way. I'm so sorry, but I missed the full length of Prada Fashion Show for a matter of minutes, so I'm gonna record this digital review few seconds from the end from the platform directly on Prada YouTube channel. And you know, I'm really thrilled to see the show, always, because I've been following Prada in the last years, mostly during the lockdowns, in which she demonstrated to be absolutely into the progress, and she stepped into the digital world of fashion, processing and proposing different important projects, from the digital concepts in fashion shows, different presentation, and also the creation of different products related to the NFT. So we are talking about the one of the most renewed and established brand of made in Italy, and of course is really an intriguing history of family run shop in the city center of Milano. And she wanted to do something different in her life, but at the end she decided that the best way to express her creativity was through fashion. She degreed in political science at Milano University, but in the meanwhile she never stopped staying by the side of her family. And so this is the space inside Fondazione Prada that is one of the most. I go a little bit further so that we can, you see, this is the installation. I want to highlight this information that I've been through, because also it's very difficult for us journalists to find before the shows the information, the pieces of information, because it is all, everything is kept secret until the show is displayed. In this case, I found on international press the information and the news regarding the partner. They decided to have Raf Simons along with the Miuccia Prada. They decided to partner with Nicolas Winding Rfn, the filmmaker and the producer and film director that is the father of the series entitled Pusher, and Drive. So they wanted to propose inside Fondazione Prada, in which, you see, this is the director from Denmark. They want to propose an installation of an immersive project. So that's why Prada absolutely mastered the future in the digital path. So this is immersive installation realized for Prada, and also we've been just reviewing the immersive producers. They participated to Biennale, so I think it's like to push forward the innovation in different artistic areas here in Italy. And this is why Prada, for me, is absolutely one of the most innovative brand and companies. So they try always to blend together innovations, communications, and product technologies. So I advise you to go and check on Fondazione Prada about these installations and on the director, that I repeat his name, Nicolas Winding Rfn. And so the title of this immersive experience is Touch of Crude. And so it's something that is created essentially to showcase the concepts and the spirits of the collection. And so I remind you that Prada is one of the most influential and enigmatic fashion designer of modern times. I think she gave to the different audiences new trends and sets, new trends in style. So she mastered the way to use different materials and also fabrics to design the garments. But also in these recent years, in the meanwhile, they are expanding the business more and more, because there is always a growth in Prada world. They also propose all these new way of presenting fashion, and always linked to art forms. So that's why also it's important, if you visit Milano, to go and visit Fondazione Prada. I shift a little bit more because I have more fashion shows on schedule, and so here they said the fashion show is about to start. Of course it's plenty. The rows are already full of people, and I will say, okay, shift. It's the usual waiting, and can you see how much you can also wait for shows with such a big names, but it's a part of the magical awaiting of these occasions. So okay, and just a few frames of the collection. I'm gonna lower the volume, and so Prada is well known also to match different shapes, colors and materials with absolutely free forms and of conceiving the dress codes. So it's Miuccia Prada has always mastered the way of blending old, new, vulgar, simple, irony of the products or the tale of the garments. So this is because she has a great mind. She has also supported lately with the help of Raf Simons, that is her co-creative director of the collections. And so these are few frames from the show that of course is powered by the installation and the immersive experience that Prada brand wanted to give as further emotions to the fashion addicts that are participating to her fashion shows. I will say stop also because I wanna get back in time not to miss more about this fourth day of Milano Fashion Week. This is Simona Cochi. I hope you enjoy my introduction to Prada and to the VR immersive project. But keep on staying tuned because I'm gonna talk about more news on this edition of Milano Fashion Week. Ciao!